Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Lumban Gaol, and now I want to explain about the new breakthrough or the new concept in teaching English. But before we start to explain about the new breakthrough in teaching English, we must to know about the revision of learning and the revision of teaching. So what is learning and teaching? Learning is the process by which a person acquires new knowledge, skills, attitudes, or understanding through experience, study, or instruction. Teaching is the process of conveying knowledge, skills, or information from a teacher or facilitator to student. So that is a definition about learning and studying. So we next to the concept of teaching. What is the concept of teaching? The concept of teaching refers to a number of principles, strategies, methods, and approaches used by a teacher or facilitator to deliver learning material to students or learners. So that we know about the revision of learning, studying, and the definition of concept of teaching. So, what is the new breakthrough or new concept of teaching English? Okay, let me explain one by one. The first new breakthrough of teaching English, of course, is using technology. Using technology in learning can make it more interesting and interactive. Why? Because teachers can use devices such as computers, tablets, or projectors to display learning material in an interesting way. For example, teachers can use PowerPoint presentations equipped with image, videos, or animation to explain concepts that are difficult for students to understand. So what is the second step is collaboration and discussion. Cooperation and discussion can encouraging students to collaborate and discuss in group can change their learning. Teachers can provide group assignment or collaborative project that involve students in problem solving, sharing ideas, and discussing learning topic. For example, teachers can assign students to create presentation on a particular topic and ask them to discuss and provide feedback to each other. So the next concept is project-based learning. Project-based learning involves students in real projects related to the learning topic. For example, students can create presentation, videos, or physical models that demonstrate their understanding of the learning material. The next concept is problem-based learning. In problem-based learning, students are given real problems or challenges that they have to solve. Teachers can provide case studies or scenarios that are relevant to the learning topic and ask students to find solutions or solve problems. For example, in English learning, teachers can give problems that involve using grammar or question any else. The next step is game-based learning. Using game elements in learning can make it more interesting and fun for students. Teachers can create interactive educational games such as online quiz or board games that engage students in learning. For example, in English learning, teachers can use crossword games or word puzzle games to help students expand their vocabulary. And the last is active learning. Active learning physically involves students in the learning process. Teachers can use methods such as simulations, experiments, or role plays to actively involve students in learning. For example, in English lessons or science lessons, teachers can conduct experiments in the laboratory or conduct simulation to teach concepts such as vocabulary, or listening. By using these techniques, teachers can create a fun and effective learning environment for their students. So that is all about the new breakthrough of teaching English. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, I will. Okay, there are conclusion in this video is there are many new techniques or breakthrough that teacher can use in teaching English, such a breakthrough like using technology, group discussion, based learning, problem learning, game, and active learning. This technique can be used to increase students' enthusiasm for learning. Thank you.